Watch how this guy got over 273 million views and make over $40,000 from this short YouTube channel. You can also do this, but it needs a lot of time and patience to Achieve this level. But today, I am going to show you guys a way so that you can start making money within 1 month. Even if your channel is still not monetized, you will start making money. But remember, success needs hard work and dedication. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, you need to choose a niche that has a high potential for affiliate marketing. Or you can just use this prompt in ChatGPT and choose a niche from here. You can just simply screenshot and give the screenshot to ChatGPT. And ChatGPT will give you a list. Is this that has higher potential for affiliate marketing? Choose a niche from here and then go to Amazon or ClickBank that you have, or if you don't have, then I suggest you to create a Amazon affiliate account. Then what you need is to choose a product. In my case, I choose this product from home and decor niche. Then what I have to do is download this product's some images. And then you have to scroll down and you will see this product's details. Just copy the whole thing and go to ChatGPT again. Now paste the whole thing below this prompt and hit enter button. Boom. Now it will give you 5 unique scripts. Now you just have to read those scripts and select the script you think best, or you can generate more scripts like this and then can select one form there. Now you got your script for your video. What you need next is voiceover for the script. And for voiceover, you can generate it from ElevenLabs. Just create a free account in ElevenLabs. It has a premium option also, but for now, you don't need that. Okay, so now you created a account, you will see text-to-speech option like this. Just click there and paste you, script here. And in here, you can choose any voice that you want to use in your video. And you can also adjust your voice, stability, and other things. Now, select the voice and adjust the speed and stability. And click Generate Speech. Then download the voice and open a video editing software. You can also use Canva Pro for video editing. Then edit the video.
You see this grout? It was brown. Now it's white. This scrubber spins so fast, it pulled years of grime out of my tiles, and it comes with a bunch of brush heads for everything, even my car rims. It's kinda addicting. Hit the link below and upgrade your cleaning game.
You can edit the video as simple as mine is. Now, the video's done. Just upload the video on YouTube and use your affiliate link in description and comment box. You can also upload the same video in other social media like TikTok or Instagram for maximize your chance. And now the hard part is you have to continue this at least 1 month for any result or make your first $100 from online. I am also using this method and making over $100 every day. I will share my earning in next video and the other way to earn your fast $100 from online. But believe me guys, this is the most easiest way for make your first $100 from online. As you can see, this is my first video on this channel and I've been getting a good number of views since the beginning. So you can assume that I have a good understanding of the YouTube algorithm and I know how to rank a video very easily. Gradually, I will share all my experiences with you, so subscribe my channel to get updated and stick with me